Hello everyone and welcome to Nashita YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Microsoft Power BI exam provided by Microsoft itself. As I told to my students before that it is not important to take a certificate for attendance for the Power BI training in a certain training center. Instead, the most important certificate is the certificate provided by Microsoft that prove your qualifications. Please note that the certificate is valid for 1 year and you need to renew it if you are going to change your position in the same company or apply for another position in another company. So today we are going to discuss the difference between the old version of the exam DA-100 and the new version of it PL300. Please note that the cost of the exam changes from one country to another, so you can find your corresponding cost at Microsoft website itself, and also there is a discount for students if you are a student. So let's discuss the difference between DA100 and PL300. Then the old one is DA100 and the new one is PL300. Please note that for those who took the exam before March 2022 and still have 1 year valid, the certificate will be modified to the new one PL300 automatically. However, the new exam taker will take PL300. So this is an overview for the distribution of the exam, and we are going to discuss each category mentioned in purple here in details in this video. So please keep with us. So the first category is data preparation. The old percentage in old exam 20 to 25 and decreased in the new one to be 15 to 20%. While data modeling increased in the new one to be 30 to 35 instead of 25 to 30. This is because of a certain important reason. Data modeling will contain another important topic that we are going to highlight in this video. Moving on to data visualization in the old exam 20 to 25 while data analysis 10 to 15. Both of them merged to be one topic in the new exam so that the exam provider can control the distribution between the questions related to visualization and questions related to analytics. And finally, managing access increased from 10 to 15% to be 20 to 25% due to the importance of security. So to recap, the largest part is related to data modeling, then data visualization and analysis, then manage access, then data preparation. Start one by one. First one is data preparation. This is the second window we discussed in our course. By the way, we already provided our course in Arabic language over Udemy, and I'm going to publish the English version for it on Udemy very soon. And I'm going to share with you the link from which you can access the course. So as we talk in our course, we have two main windows in Power BI. Data preparations is concerned with the second window of Power BI after importing and getting data sources. The first step is profiling data as we discussed in our course. Profiling to find errors, blanks, and so on, to find the problems in your data. Then you can start clean and transform your data via different steps mentioned in the second window. Then the second topic is modeling data, where you can design your model and distribute your data over tables. As we discussed in our course, you can control them and you can control the relationships between the table. This is related to data modeling. And here's the important part related to DAX. So the weight of data modeling increased because it includes DAX in it. DAX including measures, normal measures, quick measures, calculated columns, and as I provided a video in my YouTube channel regarding DAX for tables, how you can write DAX equations to return a table and why we need it. You can refer to the playlist in English so that you can find DAX for tables video. And then he will ask you about how to analyze and enhance your dashboard and report performance, and we discussed this in our course as well and mentioned more than 8 recommendations to enhance the performance of your dashboard and report with practical exercise. The third part related to data visualization and analysis, and here we mean creating reports and developing dashboards, and after providing the dashboard and the reports, how to analyze the data and get the insights from it. Data analysis includes also a new part in Power BI that is related to data anomaly detection. Anomaly detection, I'm going to publish a new video how to detect anomaly and format it in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you want to receive notification of the new video. Also, data analysis is related to find insights for sudden increase or sudden decrease, as we explained in our course. Finally, the final topic is related to manage access, and here he will ask you about 2 different topics for manage access: either manage data sets for the user to see the data set or no, and also to manage the workspace. And we have a dedicated course for Power BI service where we discuss the different options for managing workspace and dataset. I'm going to publish the course contents on my YouTube channel also, maybe at the start of the next month. I'm currently preparing for it, so if you want to receive notification for it, you can subscribe to my channel to receive notification when we publish the contents of Power BI service course. Okay, controlling and managing the access based on 4 different rules. First is admin, second is member, and third is contributor, and finally the viewer. Admin has the full control for each and everything. Member is the one who creates the workspace, but he can't add or remove people. While contributor has limited access than member, and we will discuss also in Power BI service course each function, who can control it or who can't of them. So we will discuss all the functions in details and map to the 4 of them, noting that the viewer has only read access, so he can't change anything in the workspace or dashboard. So I'd like to thank you for your time, and I wish you all success in your exam and pass the exam, take the certificate, and move on in your career. Here is my contacts. You can contact me if you have any question, and good luck for all of you. Bye.